begin with this story. Tulsa police officer Betty Shelby heading to trial in the shooting death of Terrence Crutcher.
2 Works for You reporter Darcy Jackson is live with a first look at the case both sides plan to present. Darcy.
Yeah, Karen, Brian, we've seen the video of Crutcher's encounter with police several times. That video was at the focus of today's arguments, along with the emotions of Betty Shelby. 2 things that the Crutcher family believes are the driving forces to justice. The only witness to take the stand, TPD Sergeant Dave Walker, testified that Shelby was very emotional during her interview days after the shooting, saying she was, quote, in the moment. Prosecutors argue those emotions came from pure fear. Shelby's daughter, Amber, finally spoke out publicly this morning and argued her mother is a human being who had no intent to kill.
Sometimes the officers get put in difficult positions that we ourselves cannot fathom. I'm here to tell you all that my mother is a woman of character and integrity. She is not just the image you saw plastered on the television screen for 2 weeks straight.
Shelby's attorneys later argued Police Chief Chuck Jordan pressured the DA to file charges to avoid civil unrest, but the judge wouldn't allow Sergeant Walker to testify whether he recommended charges in his report. And as Shelby was escorted out of the courtroom knowing she was headed for trial, defense attorney Shannon McMurray only said,
"We're not surprised. Thank you very much."
We understand this is a long process. We understand we got a long way to go.
Attorneys for Terrence Crutcher's family say they're ready for the trial they now know will move forward.
And I really like what Assistant District Attorney Kevin Gray said. Here in America, we cannot shoot first and ask questions later.
Now today the defense also claimed that Shelby shot Crutcher when she saw him reach into his car. They say from her perspective it was possible he could have had a gun in that car. Today Walker testified there was no gun. Shelby will be arraigned here on December 15th. In downtown Tulsa, Darcy Jackson, 2 Works for You.